tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Friends, please remember this is a very new, brand new channel which I have started just for English speaking audience, because I realized that many people are following me on Instagram, as well as I'm getting appointments from them who are non-Indians, who are spread across the globe, and they also are seeking for some guidance. So I have been releasing my English videos, English version of the content on the same channel, but now I am segregating it just for the convenience of the subscribers. Okay, so do follow my English channel, share it with your friends and family so that they can also subscribe it and press that bell icon of YouTube channel to get the updates. So friends, in this video we are going to speak about August 2020 predictions. Without wasting too much of time, let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Virgos, let's see what's in cards for you for August 2020. People who are born from 23rd of August to 22nd of September are Virgos. Let's see what their cards have to say. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have the Sun card in the upright position. It's a very positive and a beautiful energy full of lot of action, vibrancy, creativity, energy full of lot of positivity that is going to surround you in the coming month. Let's see what other cards are suggesting. We have King of Pentacles in the upright position in your relationship segment, which is suggesting that your relationship is going to be in a very good state. Basically, you will be in control of your relationship. The male member in the relationship, either your male partner or your spouse or a husband, is going to really make you feel comfortable, loved and cared and pampered. They are going to do little extra, take extra effort to make the relationship see that very beautiful light of the day. Overall, it looks like a very good time for you in terms of relationship. For those who are already engaged, for those who are singles, they will also be enjoying time with themselves. That singlehood they'll be enjoying. They might be meeting or virtually meeting, rather, to put it right now, the kind of people they want to date or tag along with, and trying to explore things. They'll be exploring things very maturely, very with a balanced thought that what kind of partner they want in their life, and they will give themselves enough time to explore and understand the other person whom they are dating. Also, so basically we can see a lot of maturity, a lot of balance, a lot of security being offered in the relationship by the male member of the relationship. So either it is you or your partner, if at all you are a female who is reading this card, it is showing a beautiful, settled, secured, taken care of relationship. Now, if we speak about relationship with your parents, your elder brother or sister or cousins or brother-in-laws and sister-in-laws, it is going to be a good balanced relationship, rapport building that is going to happen. The male member in the relationship is going to offer their love, support, security and understanding to the relationship. If you are a father, you will be acting as a very beautiful father, or a very balanced and a very poised father for your children, because it is a father figure who is going to rule the relationship in the coming month. The only thing is you should be ready to receive. So the message for you is you should be ready to receive the love, the care, the security that you're getting with the whole heart, and you will be in the very happiest phase of your relationship. Very good card, guys. So I think this Sun card is very much reflecting to your relationship segment, which is in turn giving you balance in your life in the coming month, though you are going through little tough time in other segments. So let's see what career has to say. We have 10 of Wands in the upright position in career, which says that you are going to go through a lot of stress somewhere in your job environment or business environment. So basically it shows that you will be handling too many responsibilities at the same time, with or without choice, and because of which you might feel too fatigued, too much of stress, too much of load on your shoulders, which you are carrying not only for yourself but also for the company that you're working on, or for the colleagues or your boss that you're working for, and that is going to drain you a bit. It is looking that it is also going to affect your health to an extent, because in health also we have page of cups, which is in the reverse position, which is suggesting somewhere you are emotionally too drained and stressed, and there is hardly any helping hand to take care of your emotional self. So you need to let go certain things. You will have to say no in certain areas at your work. You'll have to take some proper guidance on how to approach this situation from your senior, or from someone who really whom you really trust, or somebody whom you really see as your well wisher, so that you can handle the situation at your work with ease. And you will have to say no to certain tasks or certain responsibilities, otherwise it is going to badly hit on your health. So just take care of that. Same goes with respect to the business people who are maybe taking little extra burden on themselves because the market is low, so they really want to sustain, and they are ready to actually bend to an extent that they are harming not only their market presence, but they are also harming somewhere their financial position. As you can see, 5 of cups reverse over here, so somewhere you have lost some, you have made some losses in the recent past, because of which you are mourning. But now you are becoming little practical, little realistic, and coming out of that mourning and trying to focus on what you have, and trying to build on your financial assets basis what you have. So you are becoming realistic in your financial segment, as well as you will have to leave that duality thing, like ye karna whether to do this or whether not to do this, which way to go, is the kind of confusion we can see in your mind which is going on right now. But you are going to come out of that confusion in the coming month and going to take a stand for your financial planning. Just be assured that whatever stand you take, it is in your favor, and for that you should know that what is right and wrong. So be aware of what decision you are taking, be little extra careful. But overall it seems that you will be taking a charge of things, and taking a decision and taking a stand. So balance is the chakra advice card, which is suggesting you that you are going to gain some balance in the coming months. So there has been little imbalance in other segments of your life, which is going to get balanced in the coming month. Use a lot of red in your life, that will help you to enhance the balance energy, and help you to think with the right mindset, right positivity, and less of aggression. The message for you, the single 1 point message, summary message for you for the coming month is a star, that everything new and fertile is possible. You have a courage, you have a willpower, and you have a vision and capacity to make things good for you. So though you have been through tough time, you will be able to come out of it with flying colors. And there is a sun energy which is supporting the star energy, which is saying that you will be able to show light to yourself. So just spend some time with yourself, and you will know which direction to go, how to plan and make good for the losses, how to plan for future profits. Overall, it looks like a good time for you, Virgos. A very good luck to all of you.
Friends, I really hope that you have gone through the reading and you have got some help, some guidance out of it. If you have got the guidance, you're free to share your point of views with me on the comment section, and share your thoughts, share some improvisation thoughts. If you have some point of views to share, you can suggest me the topics which you want me to cover in the pick a card readings. And otherwise, also share my videos, like and share my videos with your friends and family. So by sharing, I not only mean sharing this video on your Facebook page, but also in your Facebook groups, on your WhatsApp groups, so that more and more people can connect with it and get the guidance from it, and populate it further, so that we can help them through the general reading on our YouTube channel over here. So it is a community effort to promote this channel, so that they get help from the general readings. Okay, so another thing I wanted to tell you was, if you're looking for a personal reading, you can anytime connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook page, as well as on WhatsApp group. So do message me on these platforms. I will ensure that I revert you at the earliest. Okay, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook page. I have also launched a Facebook group called the Soul Chakra Tarot, don't forget to follow that group or be a part of that group if you are a spiritual seeker, because there we are going to read and discuss and share each other's thoughts about spiritual enhancement and the soul journey, how to connect with your inner soul and all that kind of topics across the globe. So it's not just that we are going to speak about Hinduism or Christianity, but we are going to speak about all the possible religions or customs. Basically, we are going to speak how different sect of people are trying to access their spiritual self through the soulful journey and their methods with regards to same. So I really hope that you get some benefit out of that group also. So we are growing together. It's a very new group. Would look forward to your membership. I would like to invite you all there, whoever is a spiritual seeker. Very good luck to all of you. I hope this video helps you, and a very big thank you to all the subscribers who are already part of my